my students. Now we are in the second meeting in English lesson. The first slide I show you about our aim, lesson aim. The second slide, look at the picture, listen to me, and then repeat after me. Goodbye, Kinar. See you tomorrow. Bye, Edo. See you. Okay. Observe the expression and then practice the dialogue by yourself. Understand? Observe the expression and then practice the dialogue by yourself. Finish? Now, answer the following questions. Number 1. What expression do you find in the dialogue? What expression do you find in the dialogue? Number 2. When do we use those expressions? Number 2. When do we use those expressions? Number 3. How does the boy take a leaf? How does the boy take a leaf? Number 4. How does the girl respond to it? How does the girl respond to it? Number 5. What are the other examples of taking leave and the responses? What are the other examples of taking leave and the responses? Okay, we answered the question. Number 1. What's your answer? Yup, the expression of leave taking. Good. Number 2. Yup, when we want to leave. Good. Number 3. To say goodbye and then see you tomorrow. Good. Number 4. She says bye. Yep, she says bye. Good. Number 5. I give one example of leave taking. See you tomorrow. And the response is see you. Okay. Now, after we finish answer the following question, I want you understand what expression, what expression we will learn. Okay, look at. Ungkapan berpamitan, leave taking. Leave taking adalah ungkapan yang digunakan oleh seseorang ketika hendak berpisah dengan orang lain. Ketika hendak berpisah dengan orang lain. Contohnya, ketika kamu hendak pergi keluar dari rumah, kamu pasti berpamitan dengan orang yang berada di rumahmu. Apa yang kamu katakan? Salah satunya bisa mengucapkan saya pergi ya ma, itu dalam bahasa Indonesia. Dalam bahasa Inggris, in English, listen, the following are the expression of leave taking and the responses. Okay, taking leave-nya atau leave taking. Repeat after me ya. Goodbye. Bye. Bye-bye. See you. Good night. So long. Take care. Take care of yourself. Sorry, I have to go now. Sorry, I need to go now. Sorry, I think I should go now. Sorry, I think I must go now. The responding, bye, bye-bye. See you. Good night. See you. You too. Thanks. Bye. Okay, let's keep in touch. Okay, take care. It's nice to see you. It's nice to talk to you. Yap, ya. Yang saya ucapkan tadi itu adalah ungkapan dari berpamitan dan responnya. Now, please open your English pocket book, page 11 and 12. Open your English pocket book, page 11 and 12. After you open, observe the pictures. And then, practice the dialogues based on the pictures. Observe the pictures and then practice the dialogues based on the pictures. Okay, we have done about expression of leave taking. Now, the next slide. Look at the picture. Please take my seat, sir. Thank you. My pleasure. Okay. Now, answer the following questions. Number 1. Why does the man thank to the girl? Number 2. What does the man say to thank? Number 3. How does the girl respond to it? Number 4. What occasions should we thank? Number 5. What are the other examples of thanking and the responses? Repeat. Number 1. Why does the man thank to the girl? Mengapa pria tersebut mengucapkan terima kasih kepada anak gadis itu? Number 2. What does the man say to thank? Apa yang diucapkan pria tersebut untuk berterima kasih? Number 3. How does the girl respond to it? Bagaimana anak gadis itu meresponnya? Number 4. What occasions should we thank? Kesempatan apa yang harus kita ucapkan untuk berterima kasih? Number 5. What are the other examples of thanking and the responses? Sebutkan contoh lain dari ucapan terima kasih dan responnya. Please answer the questions and write down the answer in your book. Okay, finish. Now the next slide. Ya, look at. Yang kita bahas tadi adalah ungkapan berterima kasih atau thanking. Thanking di sini artinya berterima kasih atau mengucapkan terima kasih kepada orang lain yang telah membantu atau menolong kita. Ayo, ingat, siapa yang selalu mengucapkan terima kasih apabila ditolong oleh orang lain? Atau siapa yang tidak pernah mengucapkan kata terima kasih? Ya, setelah belajar ini, kita wajib mengucapkan terima kasih kepada orang yang telah membantu kita. Oke, good. Ya. Now, I give you the expression of thanking and the responses. Repeat after me. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks a million. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I'd like to show my gratitude. Responding, never mind. You are welcome. Don't mention it. My pleasure. That's okay. No problem. Ya, kamu bisa menggunakan ungkapan terima kasih dan respondingnya berdasarkan yang saya berikan ini. Oke, understand? Iya, now next slide. Look at the pictures and the dialogue. Repeat after me. Sorry, I didn't mean to drop your book. It's alright. Now, we answer the following question. Number 1. What do the speakers say to apologize? Apa yang diucapkan oleh si pembicara untuk meminta maaf? Number 2. What do the speaker say to respond to the apologize? Apa yang diucapkan si pembicara untuk merespon permintaan maafan itu? Number 3. Why do the speakers apologize? Mengapa si pembicara meminta maaf? Number 4. In what situation do you apologize to your friend? Di situasi yang bagaimana kamu meminta maaf kepada temanmu? Number 5. What do you say to apologize? Apa yang kamu ucapkan untuk meminta maaf? Ya, please write down the answer in your notebook. Oke. Yang kita bahas adalah ungkapan meminta maaf atau apologizing. Apologizing atau to apologize artinya meminta maaf atas kesalahan atau kekhilafan kepada orang lain. Dengan kata lain, meminta maaf dapat berarti menyesali atas perbuatan yang telah dilakukan. Kira-kira siapa yang tidak pernah berbuat salah? Pasti ya, kita pernah berbuat salah. Kalau kamu berbuat salah, apakah kamu mengatakan maaf kepada temanmu, kepada orang tuamu, atau orang yang di sekitarmu? Iya, kita harus meminta maaf. Now, look at the following are the expression of apologizing. Kamu bisa menggunakannya ya. Now, repeat after me. I am really sorry. I am sorry for arriving late. Please forgive me. I do apologize. Sorry for what I have done. I didn't mean to. Respondingnya, never mind. Okay, but don't do that again. Sure. It's alright. It's okay. Forget it. Okay. Thank you very much, my student. Now, write down this slide, or you can print and then glue them in your notebook. See you next meeting. Bye bye.